Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. We are very pleased to be able to help the entire community with their online businesses, bringing you the most relevant information about digital marketing, e-commerce dropshipping, and online businesses. We kindly invite you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. On this occasion, we have for you this excellent "What is it that nobody tells you about affiliate marketing?" Make yourself comfortable and enjoy the video. We assure you that the following information will be very useful if you are in the world of e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other online venture. Here we go. Today, everyone wants to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. It is the new trend in Latin America and Spain, where courses, methodologies, and courses that teach you how to achieve it abound. This product recommendation model works quite well. Basically, it consists of recommending third-party products and generating a commission for each sale that is generated. So, if you are interested in developing and applying this model to start making money online, it is very important that you pay attention to this video before buying any course or applying any advertising methodology. Before continuing, let us give you a special mention. This channel is sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr is the world's largest website for freelancers. Here, just by putting in the search box, you will have at your disposal hundreds of experts from all over the world in topics such as online store configuration, web page design, editing and video optimization, or the topic you can think of in the service you need. Do you need help on any topics such as search engine optimization for your website, web design, design and configuration of online stores, creation and configuration of landing page, edition and creation of video for advertising campaigns, social media management? On Fiverr from $5 you can find the help you need. Don't suffer anymore. Leave it to an expert. Go to Fiverr. From $5 onwards you can find someone to help you with that. Seriously, when we tell you that it is one of the best tools, you will find in the description of this video, you will find the link that will take you to Fiverr. Now let's continue. The good thing about affiliate marketing is that you can see its results in the short term. Because if you learn to create a good ad strategy on social networks, reaching the right people, you can quickly generate income online. This is the positive side. Take advantage of social networks and third-party communities to buy ads, recommend products that are of interest to these people, and earn a commission for each sale you generate. However, there is something that the vast majority of people are not taking into account when looking for an affiliate program and start recommending products. It could be said that there is a certain short-term blindness looking for immediate results, which is preventing people from building a truly profitable internet business in the long term. There are several things that often go unmentioned about affiliate marketing. Some of the most important are: not all products are created equal. Not all products or services you promote as an affiliate will be equally successful. So it's important to carefully research and choose the products you promote. Not a quick fix. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort to build an audience and generate significant income. It is not a quick fix to make money. The competition is strong. There are many other affiliate marketers competing for the same products and audiences. So it is important to have a distinctive approach and a solid strategy to stand out. Constant monitoring is necessary. Affiliate marketing requires constant monitoring and constant evaluation of the results to ensure that you are promoting the correct products and adjusting your strategy as necessary. Technical skills required. In addition to marketing knowledge, you also need to have technical skills to track and optimize affiliate campaigns. These are just some of the things that often go unmentioned about affiliate marketing. However, with the proper time, effort, and dedication, affiliate marketing can be a profitable source of income. And that's all for this time. We hope you enjoyed the video. We remind you, do you need help with any task that you have pending, whether it is for your online projects, your traditional work, or your daily life? On Fiverr, you will always find the help you need in the subject you need. Click link on the description. On Fiverr, you will find the right freelancer to help you with your online at very comfortable prices. We hope this information has been very useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in a next video. Bye.